Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can make sprite move on Scratch. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened Scratch website, and basically guys, we can use this website to create animation, or even we can create a game on this website. And here guys, I'm going to show you a basic tutorial, especially on how to make the sprite move on Scratch. So this is called Sprite on the Scratch, and you can choose your sprite by clicking on this icon, and you can select choose a sprite. And for instance, I'm going to select this one. Okay, and I'm going to delete this cat sprite. If we want to delete, we can click on this icon and just click on yes. Okay, now I have one sprite, and I'm going to show you how we can make this sprite move. If you want to make it move, you can go to the motion, and then you can select move and place it right here. And then you can click on the move, and your your sprite will move. Okay, and I'm going to add sound as well. If you want to add sound, you can go to the sound, and then you can select play sound. Okay, and I'm just going to choose pop, but you can also record your own voice if you want. And let's try the anime. Let's try to play it like this. And you can add another movement. For example, I'm going to select this one as well, and let's try to move it. Okay, guys, and that's all the basic tutorial on Scratch. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.